Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR900S-2 channel installed together with the Blackvue B-124 on a BMW X5 2018. So we have the rear camera sitting here on the rear windshield. As you can see, all the wires are hidden. We went through the factory wiring booth, so there's no wires showing outside. The B-124 we actually had to hide in the trunk here because it's a pretty big battery and there was not enough room in the front, not to have it nice and clean. All the wires are running through the vehicle roof liner, and we have front camera sits in the front here. Wires go up and disappear all the way to the back. Blackvue dash cams can be installed at Car System Installation. We also have an online sales. For more information, subscribe to our channel and go on our website. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.